From cozy to spacious. A guide to choosing the perfect hybrid RV layout for your needs. Choosing the right hybrid RV layout is an essential step in ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience. With a wide range of options available, it's important to consider your specific needs, preferences, and the number of people who will be joining you on your adventures. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive guide to help you select the perfect hybrid RV layout that suits your requirements. 1. Size and sleeping capacity. The first consideration when choosing a hybrid RV layout is the size and sleeping capacity. Hybrid RVs typically come in various sizes, ranging from compact models to larger options. Consider the number of people who will be sleeping in the RV and the amount of space you need. Smaller models may accommodate 4 to 6 people, while larger ones can sleep 8 or more. Assess your sleeping requirements and choose a layout that provides enough beds for everyone, whether it's fold-out beds, bunk beds, or a combination of both. 2. Expandable sections. One of the defining features of a hybrid RV is its expandable sections. These areas fold out to provide additional sleeping space and living areas. Consider the number of expandable sections you need based on the number of people in your group and your desire for extra living space. Some hybrid RVs offer multiple expandable sections, allowing for separate sleeping areas and added privacy. Determine the balance between sleeping capacity and living space that best suits your needs. 3. Kitchen and dining area. The kitchen and dining area are essential components of an RV layout. Evaluate the size and functionality of the kitchen, including the presence of a stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and ample storage space for food and cooking utensils. Consider the layout of the dining area as well, ensuring it provides enough seating for everyone in your group. Some layouts feature dinettes that can convert into additional sleeping spaces, maximizing the utility of the RV. 4. Bathroom facilities. Another crucial aspect to consider is the bathroom facilities in the hybrid RV layout. Determine if you prefer a wet bath or a separate bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. Take note of the size and accessibility of the bathroom, especially if you have specific requirements or mobility concerns. Having a well-designed and functional bathroom can greatly enhance your camping experience, providing convenience and comfort during your outdoor adventures. 5. Storage space. Storage is often limited in hybrid RVs due to their compact size. However, it's important to evaluate the available storage space in the layout you choose. Consider the presence of overhead cabinets, wardrobes, and under-bed storage compartments. Adequate storage allows you to organize your belongings efficiently, keeping the living areas clutter-free and maximizing the usability of the RV. 6. Living and entertainment areas. Assess the living and entertainment areas within the hybrid RV layout. Determine if there is enough seating for relaxation and socializing. Consider the presence of a TV, entertainment system, or designated space for recreational activities. Some layouts offer slide-outs that create additional living space when extended, providing a more spacious and comfortable environment. 7. Outdoor amenities. Hybrid RVs often come with outdoor amenities such as awnings, outdoor kitchens, and exterior storage compartments. Evaluate the availability and functionality of these amenities in the layout you are considering. Outdoor spaces can expand your living area and provide an enjoyable outdoor camping experience. 8. Floor plan and traffic flow. Finally, consider the overall floor plan and traffic flow of the hybrid RV layout. Assess the arrangement of the furniture, appliances, and amenities to ensure they are positioned in a way that promotes easy movement and accessibility. A well-designed floor plan can optimize the use of space and enhance the overall functionality of the RV. Choosing the perfect hybrid RV layout involves considering factors such as size and sleeping capacity, expandable sections, kitchen and dining area, bathroom facilities, storage space, living and entertainment areas, outdoor amenities, and the overall floor plan. By carefully evaluating these aspects and aligning them with your specific needs and preferences, you can select a layout that provides the ideal balance between coziness and spaciousness, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience for you and your travel companions. So, take your time, explore different layouts, and find the perfect hybrid RV that suits your needs and enhances your outdoor adventures. Camping is our happy place.